walking away while you're eating? I guess eating cereal's really fun, huh? Yeah? You want some more? Here we go. Go spit it out. Yum, yum. That must be really good. Yeah? It's good stuff? Look at you in your big boy chair. Yum, yum. Hi. Hi. Lunchtime's just so much fun. You like your bananas in your cereal? Yeah? Okay, well, we're going to eat some more. Bye-bye.